Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our Dreamer and Wild collections that were included in the Advent Kit. I'm going to take you through some of the things that we are releasing now, and they will also be available at your local store. So let's start with Dreamer, and we have got the beautiful Dreamer Creative Cuts. This is just some of our Rick Rack burlap ribbon, I guess. These are our little enamel dots for the Dreamer collection. We've got, these are my most favourite thing we've ever made. They are puffy stickers. I just love them. We have got the little mini collection pack. These are just straight out stickers which are perfect for journaling or just adding to your layouts or anything. This is the cut apart sheet for making cards, and you can use this with die number 5, and it's just all the beautiful happy birthdays and everything on there. This is the paper pack. So our paper packs were slightly smaller for our Advent release. There is only 12 papers in there, not 16, but let me show you through the papers. So this one is Dainty, front and back. This one is Dancer, all these gorgeous little titles you can use on cards or in your pocket page style scrapbooking. And the back. This beautiful one, which is perfect for fussy cutting, is called Darling. And a beautiful pattern on the back. This one is Diva, and the dot on the back. This one is Divine, and isn't it divine with all those beautiful leaves to fussy cut out, and beautiful, just a plain pattern on the back. This one is called Dream, cute little tags on the bottom, and look at all those guys you can cut out. Aren't they just adorable? And some gingham on the back. So that is the Dreamer collection. Let's just jump over to Wild. Okay, so in Wild, of course, you've got the mini paper pack again. We have got the Wild enamel shapes. We have got a cute little stamp, which is called Tracks. We have got our creative cuts for the Wild collection. Instead of puffy stickers, we've got these beautiful little flares. Aren't they adorable? We have got some stickers for titles for boys or girls, like Pearl loves Dino Dana too, either way. This is the cute little card making cut apart that you get. This one is with essential die number 4. This is the paper pack, and this one has got a bit of something for everyone. So this one is Wild. So although you have these gorgeous dinosaurs in here, we also have these beautiful succulents and ferns and bracken. How's that for a back? Beautiful clouds. This one's called Stomp. Now, you'll note that the colour scheme for both of these, so this colour scheme is the same colour scheme we used in this one. So you can use this piece of paper with Wild and with Dreamer, so they go across both. So how cute would those little animals be that are in Dreamer with this background, and vice versa, so you can mix them together. This one is called Raw with all the dinosaurs and some of the succulents on there. This is great for fussy cutting. And this is the back, which is all the prehistoric words, I guess. Beautiful succulent flower clusters with a little pterodactyl for good luck. Beautiful chevron for the back. This one is called Hero. Great big ferns and succulents. And a beautiful back for B-side is for creating backgrounds. This one is called Dino, and just some cute little ones for card making on the back. So that is the Wild collection. There is also this little guy here, which is our laser cut, which is great for both. You've got dinosaurs, you've got stars, and the stars is the theme across both of these collections. This is a beautiful stamp that was included in the Advent Kit, which has got a gorgeous flower cluster, cute little bunny, and the dino on there. It's got Wild Dreamer. Fussy cutting die to go with that. This die here says Happy Birthday in a script font. This one says Imagine, and this is the most adorable little file folder die you ever did see. And these, you can cut out some of the shapes on the cut apart sheets which are included on the back of these collections. They will work on that. A little star embossing folder. We have got our confetti sprinkles which match this collection, and a couple of gorgeous little ideas books which is full of layouts and cards for both these collections in both of these books. So many adorable things. Let me just show you some of the stuff that DT have made. Cute little dinosaur card. This is with that file folder die. So that's cutting out the file folder die and just making the sweetest little card. They make the best gift cards, and yes, of course, you can put a gift card inside there. But how sweet is that to put on a present? We have got some gorgeous tags with the Wild collection. All the little bits and pieces you can cut out. And here's the second tag. Another cute little card. It's made with the, and look at that cute little stamp. If you're going to gift this to someone and not post it, you can put your own little stamp on there. That is in the Creative Cuts. And another little kind of gender neutral. That would be beautiful if you put Welcome Baby on there as well. We've got some beautiful slimline card here with the Dreamer collection with that beautiful dancer. If you've got any dancers at home, how gorgeous would that be for a card for your dance teacher? Tracey Tingy joined us all the way from the UK this with the Advent kit to make some layouts, and isn't that divine? She's so talented. Here's another cute little one with the Wild collection. So sweet. Wouldn't your dino loving boy love that? Another little one with all those dinosaurs. And another one by Chrissy with all of those succulents. So definitely not just for boys, for everyone. Okay, so that was the Advent collection. This is also available on our store today, the 1st of January. You can also pick this collection up from your local craft store as well. They were all shipped last year, and they should all have them ready for when they open in the new year. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for going through all these videos if you've watched them all, and hope you love these two collections. Bye.